Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to record live audio and see the transcript in the Notes app on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe below and like this video if it was helpful for you. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is create a new note and then select the paperclip icon right here and then select record audio. From your record audio button, you will select the red dot to record your note. You can rename it up here. When you're done, you will select done on the bottom right-hand corner. Your note will look like this. When you're ready to get the transcript, go into your recording at the top right, select the three dots, and then add transcript to note, and you have that here. Notice you have a few other options of what you can do with this audio file from Notes. Rename it, copy transcript, search for a certain section of your transcript, save audio to files, and share audio. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Being Classy on social media to stay connected. I'll see you in the next video.